Sniff less, breathe boss. The Filtrete 20x20x1 MERV 12 filter that kicks dust in the face, literally. Breathe easy, fam. Filtrete 20x20x1 MERV 12 filters are here to turn your home's airflow into VIP-level clean air. Backed by 3M's legendary tech, this ain't your average dusty sheet of mesh. It's equipped with exclusive 3-in-1 filtration tech, capturing lint, pollen, pet dander, and even sneeze debris like a bouncer at a germy nightclub. Oh, and did we mention it grabs up to 54% of airborne virus particles? Yup, it's certified asthma and allergy friendly, so even your most sneeze-prone ant will thank you. It's like giving your HVAC system a spa day, with lasers. Why settle for filters that just kinda look like they're working? Filtrete MPR 1500 goes toe-to-toe with microscopic mayhem, showing bacteria, viruses, and smoke particles the exit door while still letting fresh air waltz through like it owns the place. Outperforms those sad fiberglass wannabes and weak washable filters that wave the white flag when dust shows up. It's a pleated, electrostatic beast, not just trapping particles, but attracting them like a magnet in a confetti storm. Bonus, it's so light and slick it practically installs itself. Okay, almost. Let's talk bang for breath. With a 3-month lifespan, this 2-pack filter setup is budget-friendly, energy-saving, and system-saving all in one. A dirty filter chokes your HVAC system, making it work harder than a squirrel on espresso. But swap in a fresh Filtrete every 90 days and boom, you extend your system's life, save on energy bills, and breathe like you just moved to a mountaintop yoga retreat. You're not just buying a filter. You're investing in a healthier, smoother operating home. Whether you're parenting toddlers, wrangling pets, or just want your air fresher than your playlist, this filter does the invisible heavy lifting. It fits like a charm, works silently, and removes the stuff that clogs your nose and messes with your mood. Toss in compatibility with your smart home's dash replenishment, and you'll never forget a filter change again. It's low-effort maintenance for high-efficiency living, no sneezes, no excuses. The Filtrete 20x20x1 air filter is like having a microscopic SWAT team guarding your lungs. It's built for today's homes, today's challenges, and yes, even today's pollen apocalypse. It's the kind of filter that doesn't just clean your air, it cleans up your life. So go ahead, get dirty, live fully, breathe clearly, because this filter's got you covered.